The Mesolimbic reward pathway in our brain involves drug addiction and substance abuse. Here we have the VTA, the ventral tegmental area. This is located in the midbrain. It contains dopaminergic neurons. Dopaminergic neurons are neurons that release dopamine. It is the origin of the reward pathway. Next, we have the nucleus accumbens that is located in the basal forebrain. It is often called the brain's pleasure center. It receives dopamine from the VTA, and when it's activated, it produces feelings of pleasure and reinforcement. The amygdala, right here, assigns emotional significance to stimuli, so it gives that this feels good feeling, helps form the association between a stimulus and its rewarding effect. The hippocampus is involved in memory formation. It helps you remember where, when, and why the reward happened. So, for instance, remembering the place you used the drugs. Here's our prefrontal cortex. Our prefrontal cortex is responsible for planning, decision making, and self control. Normally, it regulates behavior, but during addiction, it becomes hijacked, leading to compulsive drug seeking. So, how does this all work together? So, the VTA first releases dopamine and it travels to the nucleus accumbens. So, go ahead and follow that arrow, and it goes to the amygdala, hippocampus, and the prefrontal cortex. This circuit reinforces behavior by making them feel rewarding. Normally, this system is evolved to reinforcing adaptive behavior like eating, social bonding, reproduction, but drug abuse, so using cocaine, using amphetamines, using opioids, nicotine, alcohol, etc., it hijacks this pathway by causing abnormally high dopamine release. And imagine if you're receiving so much dopamine release, so much of that happy hormone, you're overstimulating your reward system. And over time, the brain reduces its dopamine production and receptor sensitivity, leading to tolerance and dependence, which is why when people are addicted to drugs, they aim for something a higher dose over time because the thing is, they're not going to get the same effect that they did like the first time.